When your ABS and traction control lights come on at the same time, the most common fix is replacing a faulty wheel speed sensor. These two systems share the exact same sensors to monitor tire rotation. If one sensor goes bad, both systems shut down instantly for safety. You can easily pinpoint the exact wheel causing the issue by using an OBD2 scanner that reads ABS codes. Plugging the scanner into the port under your dashboard will immediately tell you if it is the front left or rear right sensor. Once you know which corner has failed, the repair is straightforward. Replacing a wheel speed sensor usually requires removing the tire and unbolting the sensor from the steering knuckle or wheel hub. The wiring harness then unclips from the vehicle frame. You simply plug the new sensor in and secure the single bolt holding it in place. Another possible cause for these dual warning lights is low brake fluid or a failing steering angle sensor. If your brake fluid reservoir is below the minimum line, topping it off can instantly clear the dash lights. A failing steering angle sensor often requires a quick recalibration tool to reset. Driving with these lights on means your vehicle will not prevent the wheels from locking up during hard braking. Your regular brakes will still stop the car perfectly fine under normal conditions. Fixing the communication error restores your electronic safety features back to factory standards.